This is Megan with Eurton Electric, and welcome to the world of electric motor repair and rewinding. Today, we're going to be rebuilding a cast saw, so we'll head to the back and get started. Here at Eurton Electric, we rebuild all types of cast saws and other hospital equipment motors. We see and rewind all brands of saws including Stryker, American Orthopedic, Martin, Thermo, and more. We receive saws from hospitals, medical examiners, coroners, and medical equipment service companies all across the country. Like for example, this one is from Illinois, this one is from Florida, these are from Minnesota, and this one is from Texas. Saws are completely broken down and rebuilt from top to bottom. These saws have been completely rebuilt and are now ready to send back to our customer. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Megan with Eurton Electric, signing out. Check out our website by clicking below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and all things Eurton.